Well, this is a story all about how I got my car flipped, turned upside down, and I'd like to take a minute, just sit right there, and I'll tell you how I became the king of AutoZone. Take two.
We're running out of time here.
Hi. I know you're used to seeing someone uglier, shorter, less intelligent,
Shorter.
poorer than me.
I'm taller than you.
Smaller.
Uh,
So you
so-
want to be smaller.
They can hear you.
Shit.
Demonetized already.
Hey, explain
Not
what
my
you're doing
fault.
today.
Yeah. So my car has a headlight out, which means,
Tell them what it is.
oh yeah, it's a HHR 2007. I was hoping we'd get over that because still my ugly, less intelligent, shorter, and poorer cousin has a better car than me, which I don't think is fair. Anyways, so right now there are 3 nuts that I have to take off with a 7mm ratchet.
There you go. Show them where they're at.
One is right here. Here, you can. Alright, I'm gonna. Oh, crap. Alright. One is there. The other one I still have to find. Where is. Yeah, where are the other ones?
Okay.
Oh, one's over there. One's in the very,
Right there.
very back.
And there's one under here.
Oh, yeah. We can. We'll just say that there's 3 for right now. Someone. Thank you.
All right, so Chris is gonna take them out, and then he'll show you where they're at.
Alright. Lost you for a second. Did I mention I was sitting on a bucket? Yeah, I'm sitting on a bucket. The board. If I move too much one way or the other, I'll fall off. Taking bets at the moment. Whether if I fall off or not. I bet $5 I will fall off. Well, it's because I'm clumsy. Though I'm not sure if it's good that I'm betting against myself, but I mean, there's really no one betting against me, so no matter what. But bet amongst yourselves. And yeah. Had the ratchet the wrong direction. Anyways, I just want to say that I'm glad I'm not converting this car into a fire engine. Yeah, it's a Grand Tour reference. I do like that show. Now, I'm not sure if it's a online show, a television show, like what it is exactly. Oh, finally. Ow. Oh, that hurts. No, not my hand, but my shoulder. All right. Is that it at the bottom? Oh. No. That's not. Where is it? I think it's actually on the top. Is it up there? How far does this panel go? Jeez. Oh, yeah, yeah. Yeah. Told you. Yeah. Alright. I really have no idea where that other one is. I guess the only thing to do is to take the other. So, other than the 3 screws, there are 4 little double plastic rubber pieces that have to get off those rubber screws. Jeeps had none of that. My mom had it. We almost ruined the whole thing. Did you find out where the last one is or not?
Yeah, underneath.
Underneath what? Underneath that way or that way?
Down.
This way?
Yeah.
What?
Yeah.
Alright. Is the camera still on? I don't know.
Somewhere down there.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking. Like, double piece.
Get your ass off, Howard.
Hold on, we'll be back.
Alright, so... Oh, that's right face. So, I don't even know where Chris left off. But you gotta get out the plastic tabs. I'm only gonna take 2 out. Because I can get my hand in here. And I'll show in a second once I actually get the bulb out. Which shouldn't be hard.
Get the bulb out now.
Yeah, I got my hand on it. Alright, unplugged. I hope this is the right bulb. Wow, no, shit. Should be. Why is it not twisting out?
So it's hard.
Oh, that is iffy. Oh, there's little tabs on it. Cool. Alright. So that is out. These are H13 bulbs on these cars. Show you in a second how to do it. Just gonna feel around. Shove it back into place.
Man, you know how to find those holes.
Damn right.
It's a tight fit, isn't it?
It is. It's a real tight fit. Should I just not plug it back in for him? Like, oh crap, I forgot. Like this video if you think I should not plug the light back in after I put it all back together. It's like, Chris, I don't know, man. I was working before. This is always the worst part when you can't see, trying to line these bulbs back up. Oh, I can see the little light up lines. Do we have a direction? We're probably not lined up in the right holes. Nope, I wasn't. I wasn't the right hole. Dang. Got it. Right. Plugged back in. So, we should work. Let's see if we do.
These keys are probably in the ignition.
Right.
But this one's not that.
Good?
Yeah, you're good. Chris, you broke. Break that shit. Say, Chris broke the headlight. We need you to get another one.
Yeah.
Touch it with your skin.
Alright. So, I simply took out one of those focus. We're not gonna focus, are we? Alright, anywho. I don't know why this won't focus. My leg was in the way.
Alright. So there's going to be a plastic tab.
Wow, you can't see. That's starting out to be a great install video.
Okay. So Chris got the screws out. Hopefully he showed you where those are. Plastic tab there. And a plastic tab there. Look like that.
What you want to do?
Where we were. Sorry. Alright, so when these are in here, like so, if I can even get them in, like so, the easiest way to do it is to get a flathead and prop it like this, pry it up, and then you can pry inside of here like that to take it the rest of the way out. So let me get these back in here, and then we'll have Chris
Finish it out since it's his car. I told him it's his car. He can do the install.
So there's that, and he can put the screws back in, and I'm out for now. Bye, guys.
All right, so we finally got everything back together. Took them some time. Thank you, Grant and Mike. I really couldn't get those rubber screws off. They're the devil. Yeah, Bobby Boucher's mother told me so, so it's right. Also, alligators are angry, for many other reasons too. It's not a fantastic race car. It's not a best looking car, but what it is, it's a nice drive car. You can drive anywhere you want, any time. Lastly, I want to thank our very important sponsors. All of them. And we couldn't have done this without you. I feel like Bill Clinton right now. Wait. There we go. That looks like I'm looking at the camera. Well, I hope you enjoyed this as much as I haven't. Well, at least my headlights work. Yeah, we got this done on a bucket and 10-degree weather. Yeah, it was not enjoyable. I don't recommend it. I can understand why I see a lot of winter headlights out, because no one wants to replace them during winter in Ohio when it's icy, and the freeze will kill you. Yeah. Stay warm, and we'll see you again some other time.